Little Angel Reader. Little Angel Reader. Kitchen Angel. Delicious. Yum, yum.
Apple pie, Sharlotka. Made and read aloud for you by Little Angel Reader. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Do you know this proverb? In today's Kitchen Angel video, I will show you how I make Sharlotka or apple pie. It's a very easy and tasty recipe. You will need 2 or 3 eggs, several apples, half a cup of sugar, and half a cup of flour or cream of wheat. I like to use cream of wheat instead of regular flour. Beat the eggs with sugar, add a little bit of salt and cream of wheat or flour. Grease the pan with some sunflower oil, sprinkle with cream of wheat, and cover it with apple pieces. Pour the egg mixture on top of the apples. Put it in the hot oven for 15 minutes till it gets lightly brown. Your apple pie is ready. Enjoy! An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Let your food be your medicine. Let your medicine be your food. When you invite a friend to share some tea, what you really share is your heart. Here is a bonus for you: egg white and egg yolk masks. It is very easy to do, and it's so good for your skin. Your face will love it. When you crack the first egg for your apple pie, separate the egg white from the yolk. Then beat the egg white with a fork until it gets frothy. Clean your face with a wet wipe. Then dab your fingers into the white foam of the egg white and apply it everywhere on your face. Avoid the eye area and let it dry. Keep this mask on your face for several minutes while you make your apple pie. Then rinse it off. Your face will feel refreshed, bright and tight. Do you know that egg yolk is a natural moisturizer? Take some of it with your finger and apply it on your face and leave it for several minutes. Then wash it off. Now you can use your day or night face cream. Your skin will be grateful to you for this treat. Now you know a new recipe. Did you like it? Please tell me in the comments below if this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching.
Kitchen Angel. Delicious.
If you would like to help our channel and family, please read the information in the video description and feel free to use one of the links there. Thank you for your financial support. We need it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your help.